gonna learn today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel when you are subscribed already. Let's go! And today we're gonna learn about add sound. Add sound. AD. Add. Add. Let's see we see together. For the first word, dad. Dad. Talk. D. A. D. Right? But we're gonna say we see the. Add. The. Add that. Okay, let's see this together. The, add, the, add that. That, talk. Okay, next one. Mad, mad. โกรธหรือโมโห m, add, m, add, mad. Okay, let's see this together. 1, 2, 3. M, add, m, add, mad. Mad โกรธหรือโมโห Okay, next one. Bad, bad แย่หรือเลวlet's see this together 1 2 3 b add bad one more time b add bad bad แย่หรือเลว okay next one sad เสียใจ okay let's see this together 1 2 3 add sad one more time add sad okay everyone show me sad okay next one pad สมุดฉีก add pad one more time add pad สมุดฉีก okay next one For this page, I'd like you all to practice to CBC together like this. The, add that. One more time. The, add that. And next one. Add mad. Okay? Add sad. One more time. Add sad add bad okay add pad one more time add pad dad sad bad and pad okay I let you all to practice like this for 5 minutes okay Okay, everyone, thumbs up. I will check you all next time. So, see you next time. Goodbye. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my